Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. Today we are making some Pokemon cupcakes because Detective Pikachu is out and I'm so excited. I'm such a fan of Pokemon. I was obsessed with it when I was younger, so this video had to happen. So let's get started. Okay, so first to make Pikachu, you want to spread some yellow buttercream onto the entire surface of the cupcake. Hype Pikachu's eyes with the black buttercream and cheeks with some red buttercream. Hype Pikachu's nose and mouth with some more black buttercream and its little eye highlights or sparkles with some white buttercream. Then you want to place some parchment paper on a flat tray and pipe Pikachu's ears with some yellow and black buttercream. Then just pop this in the freezer for 20 minutes until the ears have frozen solid, and then just stick the ears directly onto the cupcake. And so these will soften at room temperature, so if you're making all of these for a party or something, keep the ears in the freezer until you're ready to serve the cupcake, and then stick the ears right on, right before serving. To make Jigglypuff, spread some pink buttercream onto the entire surface of the cupcake. Place 2 candy melts onto the cupcake as eyes. Then pipe blue dollops onto the candy melts, and then smaller white dollops on top to create Jigglypuff's cute little round eyes. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then create its mouth with some black buttercream. Then pipe ears and a large swirl on the forehead with the remaining pink buttercream. That swirl is the most fun thing I think I've ever piped. I can't believe it. To make the Pokeball, spread some red buttercream and white buttercream onto each half of the cupcake. Then pipe some black buttercream onto the border between both colors, and then pipe a large dollop into the center. And then you want to get a white candy melt and press it on top so that the black buttercream spreads out and creates a little ring around the white candy melt, and it looks like the little Pokeball button. This is the cleanest way to get that pretty little ring around the white. Trust me. To make Squirtle, spread some blue buttercream onto the entire surface of the cupcake. Pipe Squirtle's eyes with some black buttercream, as well as its eyebrows, nose, and mouth. Use some white buttercream to create the little highlight in the eye, and then pipe Squirtle's tail with some remaining blue buttercream. To make Charmander, spread some orange buttercream onto the entire surface of the cupcake. Use the black buttercream to create his eyes, eyebrows, nose, and mouth, and some white buttercream to create the little sparkle in its eye. This is important for all of them because otherwise they'll look kind of dead. It's kind of creepy. And then use some red and yellow buttercream to create Charmander's tail, which is just kind of sticking onto the side of its head because cupcakes don't have tails. To make Bulbasaur, spread some blue-green buttercream onto the entire surface of the cupcake. Create the bulb with the light green buttercream, just kind of by piping upwards into a little bulb shape. It's not tricky, I promise. And pipe the eyes with some black buttercream. Use the same shade as you used for its face to create the ears. Then create its eyebrows, nose, and mouth with some more black buttercream. Pipe highlights onto the eyes with some white buttercream and spots with the dark green buttercream. And you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. Let me know what other Pokemon you would like me to turn into cupcakes. It was so hard to just make 6. I want to make all of them. I mean, I stopped watching Pokemon at I don't know, when Umbreon and Espeon came around. That was the end of my Pokemon era. If that makes sense. Eevee is my favorite character, and I think it'd be so cool to make Eevee cupcakes. And Marco, my boyfriend, told me that Pomeranians look quite similar to Eevee, so my life is consistently on brand, it seems. So yeah. But yeah, let me know what is your favorite Pokemon, and yeah, if there's anything you'd like me to turn into cupcakes, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet and you like my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. And I'll see you guys on Thursday for another cupcake recipe. Bye!